Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to easy make a level in your room if you have tripods and 4D laser level. So this is the high spot. How I found it, I use 4D laser level. This bottom laser line only 6 millimeters from the ground. Very easy to find high spot. You see the green, this is the highest spot. Also on the walls I see the horizontal line, which is I have to level by this line. I already sealed the wall with foam gasket and silicone. Now I set up tripods. How set up tripods? Easy. You see the bottom plate on the middle of the tripod. We have to put it down or up exactly to the green line. You see, easy. This tripod already set up. So we take another one, and this plate need to rise up a little bit. That's it. Another tripod set up. So after a few minutes I set up whole room with tripod. Some plate is higher, around inch, some is very low. So for example, this plate already almost inch. Some plates I put exactly to the ground. Why I did it? It showed me where is the high spot. This is the hump, you see. I mark it with pencil right there, and I put this tripod to see where is the hump. When I set up whole tripods, I see all imperfection in this room, where I have to put more self-leveling compound, where I have to put less. So I am using barrel, this barrel exactly for 3 bags of self-leveling compound. So now when I put self-leveling compound, I have to fill up by the bottom plate self-leveling compound. If you will follow my recommendation and fill up self-leveling compound by the bottom plate, not higher, not lower, just exactly by the bottom plate, all your room will be level. So when you finish, just take as a spike roller and roll it out. You see, now whole floor of self-leveling compound on the floor don't have any reflection. It means it's nice surface, no any lower and higher spot. It's just like mirror. With this self-leveling tripods and 4D laser level, you can work on concrete subfloor and wood subfloor. It's very easy. So I have many videos about it, and you just have a look. I hope it will help you to do your projects better and better. If you like my video, thumbs up please, subscribe, leave comments. I will be very appreciated. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.